Hey guys, creating animations in Roblox has become easier than ever in 2025 with the Roblox Animator Editor. Here is how to make your character move like a pro. Open Roblox Studio and load your game or character model. Go to Plugins and then Animation Editor. Select the character's humanoid root part to attach animation bones. Start creating keyframes. For example, frame 1, idle pose. Frame 10, arm raised. Frame 20, hand wave. Hit play to preview your animation. Once done, click upload to Roblox. You will need a Roblox creator ID. Copy the animation ID and script it in your game using animator load animation or animation in Lua. Pro tip: for smoother motion, use Twin service to blend transitions or install the Moon Animator plugin for advanced tools. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.